The first 6 months of the year have been a really interesting period where we're seeing the market begin to evolve, and we're once again seeing the benefits of our diversified business model. And I'm really pleased to see that each of our businesses are growing, and they're growing profitably. In the first 6 months of the year, we've added $160 million of premium revenues, with just over half of that coming from our retail business. And we've achieved a strong combined ratio of 92.6%. And that's after absorbing a significant natural catastrophe event in the first quarter, where we saw some of the worst wildfire losses in insurance history. I'm also pleased with the strong capital generation in the first half of this year and the strong return on tangible equity at 14.5%. And the strength of the performance is such that it creates the flexibility for us to make a further announcement of an additional special return of capital. And as a result, we are upsizing our share buyback from 175 million, which we announced at the end of 2024, and we're now increasing that to $275 million. Now, that increase in share buyback, combined with the increase in interim dividend of 9%, and the final dividend that we paid this year, means that we will be returning over $400 million to our shareholders this calendar year, or about 11% of opening equity. So all told, it's been a period of attractive, high-quality growth, significant capital generation that we've been able to return substantially to our shareholders. There's a lot to look forward to at Hiscox. It's a really exciting time for us. We're making progress on a number of different fronts as we execute on our strategy. We are launching a number of new products in the second half of this year. We're entering a number of new segments. We've also entered a new country through the acquisition of a tech-enabled MGA in Italy. So I'm looking forward to welcoming all of our new colleagues who've just joined the business. We've also acquired a small insurtech in the US, again, which will further our capabilities and accelerate our product roadmap. So again, looking forward to welcoming those colleagues joining the business as well. And in our London market business, our digitization agenda has continued, and that is opening up new opportunities for us. So we've just launched an SME cargo solution, which will bring customers that hitherto don't really come to the London market, but will come to the London market now because we're providing an almost instant quotation facility for smaller cargo solutions. And we're also just entered middle market US property, again an exciting prospect for us. And what I always look forward to is visiting our colleagues and our broker partners around the world. They're always so interested in the business and have some fantastic questions, and I always leave hugely energized from visiting each of our offices. And of course, staying in touch with our broker partners is an essential part of the role to understand what's going on in the market, what their strategies are, so that we can respond accordingly. If I could sum up the Hiscox experience for the first 6 months of this year, I would say it's been incredibly exciting, full of creativity, and a lot of fun.